Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now it's a Saturday evening. Why that's of any relevance to you, I've no idea. Just trying to think of things to say. And tonight we're having a pasta dish. Well, we're having pasta dishes. I'm having something entirely different to Steve. So we're concentrating on what I'm making for Steve. And do you remember before Christmas I picked up in Aldi some white lump crab meats? Well, I used it in this recipe that I'm going to show you today, and Steve liked it so much I've had to find another tin, and it's not the same, but it is lump crab meat. So lump crab meat, and I've got some pasta cooking on the stove, and I don't know if you can see, I've got a wooden spatula over here, and putting that on top of a boiling pan will stop it boiling over. A little tip for you. Right, so in this recipe we need pasta, we need the crab meat, we need some olive oil, we need garlic, red chilli, lemon zest, lemon juice and parsley, and that's all we need. So I've told you what we're making. What I'm doing is I'm cooking the pasta before we do anything else. Now, pasta, it loves salty water. Antonio Carluccio said your pasta water should taste like the sea. So what I do is I put my pan on to heat with the lid on. Don't put any salt in it. Once it comes up to a boil, I add a good amount of salt, because that will add flavour into the pasta itself. Okay, so I'm going to bring that up to almost cooked. So you cook it to your packet instructions, but take maybe a minute off, and then we can do nothing until that's ready, and I'll show you what's next.
Right, our pasta's cooked. It is draining. I have got a pan on the hob, and I'm just going to add a little olive oil, about a tablespoon I guess, and into that I'm going to add the chilli and the garlic, and I'm only going to fry it for a little while, a few seconds, up to a minute, that's all, because we just want to release those flavours. We don't want the garlic burning, we don't want the chilli burning. Oh, wow. Yep, I can smell that. Right, now I'm going in with the pasta. In with the crab meat. Excuse me. In with most of the parsley. I'm going to keep some back for a garnish. And in with the lemon zest, and then we're just going to toss this around just so that the crab starts to heat through. I'm going to toss it so that I haven't got big clumps of lemon all together. I mean, I don't know about you, but I think that looks absolutely delicious now, and I don't even like crab. Right, now we're going to go in with some of the pasta water. We can add a squeeze of lemon juice. Do you know, I just had an awful thought. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not recording, but I am. Right. That's it. That's how quick a, should be linguine, but whatever, pasta, crab, chilli and garlic comes together. I'll get it on the plate and show you it.
Well, thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen, with her crab linguine. Dead easy to make, isn't it? If you wanted, you could add some parmesan on top, but fish and cheese, nah, it's not really for us. So I'll see you again next time in the kitchen with Pen. Bye bye for now.